Previously on Project Dirty Dozen.
So, cut this out, put a new floor in it.
Hey guys, it's Matt and Serge back again with Goulet Films. We haven't had much progress with the Dirty Dozen build, but I've been a little busy working on the race car. Now that that thing is race ready and on the track, we are back working on the Dirty Dozen project. I finally got this thing primed. The next step is to put a cage in it. We will flip her over, set her back on the frame here, and start mocking up to put some tubing in this thing. Stay tuned, it's going to be awesome.
People that are just tuning in, what are we looking at here?
47 Ford pickup body with a 1993 Dodge Cummins dually chassis and engine. Modified cross member, transmission cross member, new floors.
Building a rat rod?
Building a rat rod, yeah.
First thing we got to do is cut all this stuff out. It's not really going to do anything anymore. We're going to have a tube coming up. It's just going to get in our way, so we're going to cut it all out. And Matt's going to put a solid piece of glass in here because it needs new glass. We're actually starting the cage.
We had a few mishaps with the bender. Some trial and error. We got it. We got it right.
Gonna be a slug right there in the middle. It's looking pretty good in here. Kind of dark, but you kind of see we got some bends. It's all fitting really tight. But yeah, it's coming along great. Just gonna keep going.
That was not great. Used it for like 2 minutes. And the little bolt here that clamps it onto the grinder kind of stripped. So we'll have to do some modification, but I think it's going to work out pretty good.
Back in business. While Matt's over there trying to shine up his tubes, I'm trying to figure out where the cage is going to come through the body, and arts and crafts here, trying to figure out how we're going to mount this to the frame. Something like that. right, Matt's just back there finishing up some welding, and we'll show you the finished product shortly.
Yeah, we got a lot more tube work to do, but inside the cab's coming along.
I think he's gonna have some parts coming out here. And at the front here to tie the whole chassis in, but that's a future episode.